What on earth is happening with Cake? First it imploded, really crashed, then it recovered to a degree, now the rally has stalled. What's going on? Have a look at DEX screener. Under the Binance Smart Chain we see the different decentralized exchanges over here, and this is ordered by trading volume. In the last 24 hours PancakeSwap had 288 million. The second largest, Thena, had less than 9 million. Uniswap had 8 million. BuySwap had only 3 million. So really, if you're swapping anything on the Binance Smart Chain, the only way to go is PancakeSwap if you don't use a DEX aggregator such as 1inch. And yes, people like PancakeSwap. Look at the number of Telegram users over time. It's growing even though we have been in a bear market for quite a while. Here's the number of Twitter followers, also growing very consistently. 1.8 million is a lot. It's very much declining. People tend to avoid the Binance Smart Chain now. The BSC had a competitive advantage by lowering the gas fees versus Ethereum. But now there's so many different competitors and so many layer 2 scaling solutions on Ethereum that the Binance Smart Chain, with its centralized risk being Binance, isn't that attractive anymore. This is the graph measured in US dollars, but even measured in BNB, it doesn't look that much better. The question is, who did most of the purchases here? Was this retail driven or was this whale driven? Have a look at those charts here. This is the number of wallets that hold at least 0.1 tokens. So that's 20 cents worth of the token. So pretty much any holder that doesn't just have residuals from swapping. Then we've got the medium-sized wallets that have at least $200 in it. And then we've got the large wallets that have at least $100,000 worth of the token. The link is down below.